Chia Seeds, a diabetic's best friend, isn't it? Are you tired of constantly searching for the perfect snack that won't spike your blood sugar levels? Well, look no further, my fellow diabetics. I'm introducing you Chia Seeds. Well, I'm not really introducing. You have heard about Chia Seeds from me and from others probably, but I'll tell you a few tricks today that you will, I think, like to hear. These are tiny but mighty superfoods packed with countless health benefits. First thing first, let's talk about why chia seeds are such a great option for diabetics. Well, these tiny black seeds are low in carbs and high in fiber. Bingo! Making them a perfect choice for keeping your blood sugar levels stable. Plus, they have a low glycemic index, meaning they won't cause any sudden spikes or crashes in your blood sugar. But that's not all. Chia seeds are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the inflammation in your body. And as if that wasn't enough, they are also a great source of protein and essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. So, now you're probably wondering, how much chia seed should I eat? And how often? Well, the good news is that there is no one size fits all. That's the answer. The general recommendation, though, is to consume about 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seed per day, but it ultimately depends on your individual needs and preferences. Nobody will eat chia seeds every day, I would think. However, like any other superhero, chia seeds also have their kryptonite. Yes, you heard me right. If you gobble up too many chia seeds, it can actually turn your snack into a snack crime. Yes, you heard me right. It can be a snack crime. Remember, those tiny but mighty, they're good seeds. They have superpowers. It lies in their ability to absorb up to 12 times of their weight in water, which not only helps you feel full faster, but turns into a gel-like substance at the end. Not so bad, right? But hold your horses. When you overindulge, the chia seeds start behaving like a party pooper. Overconsumption can lead to gastrointestinal issues like bloating, constipation, and gas. No wonder sometimes people will write comments, "Oh, you told me to eat chia seeds, now I'm dying." Well, I didn't tell you eat a gallon of chia seeds, all right? Just listen carefully. Listen, watch the entire video. A lot of people just rush,
"Oh, he said chia seeds. Let me go get chia seeds."
Well, watch the entire video, understand what you really need to do. So that party isn't the party you want to attend. People eating a bunch of chia seeds, and you know what happens after that. Let's not forget, those on blood thinners also should be cautious due to why? Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are great, but if you're having too much of it, your blood will be thinner, and it can affect your blood clotting, and you don't want a GI bleed just because you like chia seeds. So a friendly reminder for the moderation. People who hate moderation will hate me, but guess what? The life is all about moderation. It's like having your favorite dessert. You know what? You're diabetic. Dessert is not prohibited 100%. Once in a month, you want to have a dessert, go for it. Look, you're a human being. You wouldn't eat the entire cake in one go, right? But, even when you're not diabetic, so do the same thing for chia seeds. Be careful about that. Remember, in life, that's true for everything, even for money. Too much of a good thing is not always good. So stick to a spoon or 2 of chia seeds a day. Keep the tummy troubles at bay. The best part about chia seed is that they're incredibly versatile and can be easily incorporated into your diet in a variety of ways. Now, you can sprinkle them on top of your salads, again, small amount, or yogurt, or you can make smoothies off of them. You can add to your oatmeal, or even use them as an egg substitute in baking. But if you are looking for some diabetic-friendly chia seed recipes, here are a few ones for you. Now, you can make a chia seed pudding. My wife makes it for me sometimes. I love it in the morning. You need to mix together a quarter cup of chia seeds, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, and your choice of sweetener, in this case, stevia or something like that, in a jar. Let it sit in the fridge overnight and enjoy that delicious and nutritious breakfast the next morning. You can add some blackberries or raspberries, whatever you like. I prefer raspberries in there. Now, you can also make chia seed energy bowls. You can combine 1 cup of pitted dates with half cup of rolled oats, quarter cup of chia seeds, and 2 tablespoons of almond butter in a food processor, and you can roll the mixture into bowls. Keep them in the fridge for a quick and healthy snack on the go. Now, how about chia seed crackers? Well, let's make it. In a bowl, you're going to mix together a half cup of chia seeds, a quarter cup of water, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and your choice of seasoning. Could be garlic powder, onion powder, dried herbs, whatnot. You let the mixture sit for 10 to 15 minutes before spreading it onto a lined baking sheet and baking at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. So, there you have it. Chia seeds are not only beneficial for diabetics, but also incredibly delicious and versatile way. Easy to incorporate into your diet. So go ahead and give them a try. Your body and your taste buds will say thank you. In the meantime, of course, stay healthy, stay happy. Stay tuned for more lighthearted videos, more informative content about managing diabetes. Just to remind you, we have a new book. It's called The Doctor's Guide to Diabetic Diet. It's all about the diet because we have the Ultimate Diabetes book, which is kind of a big book. A lot of people cannot finish it. We made a smaller book for just diabetic diet only. The Ultimate Diabetes book for busy people, we are also making it an audiobook. So check our website. It is either, by the time this video is published, it will either be there or it's coming up soon. Again, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this channel so far, and I hope you subscribed already. If you didn't, do it. And if you did, watch this video right there. I think that will help you too.